Hello, in this video we are going to consider a numerical problem which appeared in NEET Karnataka 2013. This is a question: a 12 cm wire is given a shape of a right angled triangle ABC having sides 3 cm, 4 cm and 5 cm as shown in the figure. The resistance between two ends AB, BC, CA of the respective sides are measured one by one by a multimeter. The resistance will be in the ratio. This is the diagram. 4 options are given. Option A 9:16 is to 25. Option B 27 is to 32 is to 35. Option C 21 is to 24 is to 25. Option D 3 is to 4 is to 5. So there is a wire of 12 centimeter length which is folded here in the form of a right triangle. It has to be a right triangle because this is 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter and 5 centimeter. Okay, and the resistance between the two ends. First, the resistance between the ends A and B, or AB, let us say RAB is measured. That is, he is measuring with the help of a multimeter the resistance between A and B, and then resistance between B and C, then resistance between C and A. Then the measured resistances will be in what ratio out of the 4 choices given. Okay, so here one thing we may have to make use: resistance is proportional to length. Okay, so let's say, and here everything is in the form of ratio. So let's say that the resistance of this much portion alone, AB alone, let's say 3 ohm, not effective resistance between A and B, just the resistance of AB alone, this much length of the wire alone, 3 centimeter. So let's say 3 ohm. Then this will be, this part it will be 4 ohm, this part it will be 5 ohm. But if you take it as 6 ohm, then this will be 8 ohm, this will be 10 ohm, because we have to consider the proportional nature. But to make things simpler, let's say AB has got a resistance 3 ohm, BC has got a resistance 4 ohm, CA has got a resistance 5 ohm. I once again say that it is not necessary that the resistances should only be 3 ohm, 4 ohm, 5 ohm of this much lengths separately when you consider that, not the effective resistance. Resistance of AB alone, not the effective resistance. This much portion of the length. You can, if you take as 3 ohm, then it will be 4 ohm, it will be 5 ohm. If we take it as 9 ohm, then it will be 12 ohm, it will be 15 ohm. Right? But to make things easier, we say AB has got a resistance 3 ohm, BC has got a resistance 4 ohm, CA has got a resistance 5 ohm. So when you measure this with the help of the multimeter, the resistance between A and B, let's say we call it as RAB. If we measure it with the multimeter measures the effective resistance. So it will not be 3 ohm alone. It will be considered this. It will consider this as a network of 3 resistances connected in a particular fashion, and then the effective resistance between A and B will be measured by the multimeter. Okay. Now let's assume this is 3, 4 and 5 ohms respectively. This is the first case, RAB. Right. This is is measuring between A and B. So these two resistances now will behave as if they are in series. They will be in series, 4 ohm and 5 ohm. Then 3 ohm will be in parallel to this series connection. So 9 ohm is in parallel with 3 ohm. That will be the reading, or that will be the measurement given by the multimeter. What is the measurement given by the multimeter? 4 ohm and 5 ohm in series? No. So 9 ohm, 4 plus 5. This 9 ohm in parallel with this 3 ohm. So find effective resistance. So 1 by RAB is 1 by 3 plus 1 by 9, which will be 4 by 9. So RAB is 9 by 4. This will be shown by the multimeter. Then RBC, in a similar manner, RBC, resistance measured between B and C, these two will be in series, say 8 ohm. That will be in parallel with 4 ohm. So 1 by RBC is 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 is equal to 3 by 8. So RBC 8 by 3. Similarly, between A and C, these two will be in series, 7 and 5 in parallel. So 1 by RCA is 1 by 5 plus 1 by 7, which will be 12 by 35. So RCA will be 35 by 12. Okay, therefore the ratio will be 9 by 4, that is RAB is to RBC is to RCA will be 9 by 4 is to 8 by 3 is to 35 by 12. Because the question says it will be in the ratio of. We also took 3 ohm, 4 ohm, 5 ohm, and it can be 6 ohm, 8 ohm, 10 ohm. So you will have to consider the ratio now. So the ratio will be 9 by 4 is to 8 by 3 is to 35 by 12. So simplify this by multiplying each one by 12. So you will get 27 is to 32 is to 35. So answer is B. That is 27 is to 32 is to 35. Understood this? Thank you. Thank you once again.